Alright, so here of course is the stock one before I remove it. Just your halogen style third brake light. Alright, so here's the third brake light I got off Amazon. It matches pretty darn good with the spider lights that I got. So we're going to put this sucker on the back of the truck today. Alright, so it's super easy install. I'm going to take out these two screws right here. That's it. Pop it out. Put the new one in, right? Let's take these off. You don't want to lose the bolts, of course. You want to reuse these. Put those in the little pocket. Go, you're going to unplug the one connection. Super simple. Any of that debris, get that out of there. I think that's helping it all, but hey, let's pretend it does. Should be super simple. Click it in. Perfect. Now it does give you this guy. So I'll stick it somewhere nice and easy. Probably stick it like right there. So let's just lay this gently on top of there for a second. I've already made some pre-made little Velcro, like commercial Velcro. Just gotta take it off again or move it around. Go. Now, let's put it, I'm thinking, right there, looks like a good spot. There we go. There we go. That's not going anywhere. Don't want to over tighten these, but I want that to get in nice and taut. Make a nice seal between the truck and the third brake light. There we go. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. Now let's see if it works.